I just want to focus on who is Allah and what is the proof. The first and foremost proof is that we all exist. You exist, I exist. How did we get here? How did our intelligence come to us? How is it that we're able to reason? How is it that we're able, as human beings, to interact with each other? How does that come about? Where does it come from? And if you said this is just a hodgepodge of accidents taking place, something without any order to it, then you haven't really understood how the universe works. Because when you look to the structure of the universe, when you look to the way that it's created, the way it all cooperates together, from the macro of the planets and stars and suns, and from the micro, which is the molecules, everything turning and working together, all of this is what? This is amazing cooperation. And how does it come about?
Who is this Allah? What is this Allah? And why do I have to submit to Him? Allah Azza wa Jal is the King, the creator of the heavens and the earths. Allah is the creator of all things, that which you see and that which you don't. He is the one who created all things, the sustainer of all things. He is the all-seeing, the all-hearing, the all-knowing, the all-wise, the all-powerful, the almighty. Who is this Allah? Allah is the creator of the heavens and the earth. He is the one that knows what you and I don't know. He sees what you and I don't see. He's in control of all things. Nothing escapes Allah. Nothing. He is in complete, full control. Allah doesn't get tired. Allah doesn't get sleepy. Allah doesn't get restless. Allah doesn't get bored. Allah never does Allah not know what to do. He is in complete control. You and I have accepted this Allah, this creator. We have accepted Him to be the all-knowing, almighty, all-powerful. This is Allah, the creator of the heavens and the earths. He created me.
You know, we're talking about the Lord of the Arsh and Kursi. We're talking about the Lord of the worlds. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. We're talking about the Lord of the entire universe and beyond. The entire universe and beyond. You know, we live in this dunya and we are fascinated with this dunya which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala indeed has created in a beautiful manner. We're fascinated. There are over billions of people which live on this dunya at this moment in time. Over 6 billion people that live on the dunya at this moment in time. This dunya of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is so big, my young friends, that there is space in this dunya for billions and billions and billions or more people. But what is this dunya in comparison to what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created out there? This dunya is insignificant. This dunya is meaningless to Allah. It means nothing. It is worthless. So worthless, compare it with the sun. The sun is one star. You know more science than me. You'll be able to tell me better. Take this planet Earth and you place it inside the sun, and you will be able to place 1.3 million Earths in the sun. 1.3 million Earths in the sun. Allahu Akbar. Allah is the greatest. The sun is one star. One star. There are stars out there which are millions of times bigger than the sun. You tell me this, that you need millions and millions of stars to make one galaxy. And then you tell me this, that there are zillions of galaxies out there. Let me tell you on top of this, my young friend. After this, whatever you see above, when you raise your head and you look above, whatever you see above, the zillions and zillions and zillions of galaxies, let me tell you, this is everything there is within the first heaven. Everything there is within the first heaven, and Allah is the creator of 7 heavens. 7 heavens. And the distance between the first heaven and the second heaven is 500 years. You know, the distance that can be covered in 500 years, at what speed? Only Allah knows. Only Allah knows. But it will take 500 years to get from the first heaven to the second heaven. 500 years from the second to the third, third to the fourth, fourth to the fifth, fifth to the sixth, sixth to the seventh. Every time it will take 500 years. After the seven heavens, وَسِعَ كُرْسِيُّهُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. You all read the Ayatul Kursi. You all know the Ayatul Kursi. After this, you have the Kursi of Allah. You have the chair of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.